नमस्कार, आर के त्यागी गाजियाबाद एनसीआर दिल्ली ओम सच्ची जनवानी चैनल पर आपका स्वागत है। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें प्लीज़। आइए, पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट में एक कॉम्पिटिशन अमाउंट वाले केस पर एक और उन्होंने फाइल किया है केस, ये मैं आपको बता देता हूँ। पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट अच्छा, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें, आपका एक ही सेकंड खर्च होगा, वीडियो आपको तुरंत मिलेगी। दूसरे, शेयर लाइक कमेंट करें, कमेंट करने से आपके व्यूज़ हमें पता लगेंगे और शेयर करने से सभी साथियों तक जाएगी, रिटायरी साथियों तक सभी हमारे इस व्यूज़ और न्यूज़ प्रोपोगेट होंगे और साथी लोग मोटिवेट होंगे। गवर्नमेंट से तक जा सकती है, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज, ऑल सेक्शंस ऑफ सोसाइटीज़ तक जाएगी। आइए शुरू करते हैं। पंजाब एंड हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट रिकवरी ऑफ कॉम्पिटिशन अमाउंट केस फाइल्ड बाई SBI पेंशंस। SBI ने भी पंजाब हरियाणा हाई कोर्ट में केस डाल दिया है। केस हैज बीन रजिस्टर्ड वाइड CMP 16,320/2024 अगेंस्ट फाइलिंग नंबर 10-251 120 102-51120 ये है बाई श्री परमिल कुमार मित्तल एंड अदर्स वर्सेज यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया SBI एंड अदर्स। केस इज शेड्यूल्ड ऑन हियरिंग ऑन 18 जुलाई। आज 16 है, 17-18 में सुना जाएगा। और आज हरियाणा कोर्ट तो एकदम जो है रिकवरी स्टॉप करा रहा है, ये रिकवरी स्टॉप हो जाएगी, पता लग जाएगा 18-19 में। Dear all, SBI pensions have also filed writ petition in High Court against the pension commutation recovery for 15 years. Sri N.K. Sethi took the initiative to file the case, which is scheduled for hearing on Thursday, the 18th July 2024. Best wishes team N.K. Sethi, regards V.K. Gupta। और इन्होंने अपना मोबाइल नंबर दिया है 9888516080। एक बार बोल देता हूँ, V.K. गुप्ता, मोबाइल नंबर 9888516080। तो इनसे आप कोई सलाह लेनी हो, आपको कहीं फाइल करना हो तो आप बात कर सकते हैं। मैंने इसलिए आपको ये बताया। अब आगे एक चीज़ और बता देता हूँ मैं आपको, एक इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर डिटेल बताता हूँ। जो हमारे सतपावा जी हैं, सीनियर एक्टिविस्ट हैं, वो भी उन्होंने भेजी है वो डिटेल। तो आइए इसको भी देख लेते हैं एक बार, क्या कहते हैं सतपावा जी। ये हैं, ये रोहतक से हैं और ये PNB के हैं, एक्स चीफ मैनेजर। स्पेशल आर्म्स के मुद्दों को एड्रेस करते हैं वैसे। आइए, स्टेप्स क्वेश्चंस यू शुड कीप इन माइंड एंड आस्क योर इंश्योरेंस एडवाइजर इफ you go in for individual policy along with the IBA group policy next year। ये इन्होंने दिया। Insurance can be slightly complicated topic, especially for senior citizens, but people need to understand the options they have since insurance is vital. Retired bankers are in a catch-22 position due to nexus of IBA and UFBU, the unions for working employees. First, we should wait for budget 2024 announcement about health coverage for all senior citizens above 70 years by NDA government as promised. Secondly, what does IBA UFBU serve to the retirees in proposed single policy for working and retired employees who shall bear the premium for retirees, bank or retirees? It is expected that this year, if not the entire premium shall be paid by bank, yet they may contribute for a portion of it. Thereafter, you may have to think about taking additional individual policy instead of giving hefty premium or top up in IBA policy. When Scheduling an appointment with the insurance advisor, there are some critical questions, steps that you should keep in mind to get right individual insurance policy. Number 1, what does my policy cover? Knowing the details of your insurance policy is very important. Ask your advisor to walk you through and give you a basic understanding of the policy that you plan to buy. This entails information on the deductibles, co-pays, limits of the policy like room rent, daycare, cappings and other matters that may be excluded. You can ask specific questions coming to your mind. Number 2, are there any optional add-ons? Apart from the standard packages, insurance provides extras known as options or riders that can improve protection. Be sure to ask your advisor if there is any additional coverage available in the policy. Number 3, how much does the premium cost and what determines it? Being informed about the reason that dictates the particular amount of money you pay for insurance can go a long way towards controlling costs. Discuss the factors that affect the premium with your advisor, most of which include age, geographical locations and the chosen limits. If thus opens your eyes to changing your coverage of your lifestyle in a way that can make your premiums go down. Number 4, what shall I do if I have been denied my claim? The more informed people are about what is bound to happen to them the moment they seek reimbursement, the less worried they will be, and this is why awareness is essential. Find out how you should report a claim, the details that would be required of you, and the durations that if would take for the claim to be processed. If there is no network hospitals of a specific insurance finance FM company in your area for cashless treatment, then please don't go in even if premium is comparatively less. 5th, can my policy be adjusted as my needs change? Life will go through certain changes and the need for insurance may also vary in the near future. In this age, it is also important to ask your advisor about the extent of the flexibility of your policy. Can it be modified or revised at will to meet such incidences as when one intends to purchase a new house for adding domiciliary treatment at a later stage, death of spouse, or embarks on joining a new group insurance policy like recently announced by PM to cover very senior citizens above 70 years of age. It is comforting to understand that your insurance policy can be modified to fit the changes that you are currently experiencing or may think to occur during next year. Conclusion: it is vital to keep in mind above steps, and in case you go in for an individual policy, ask these questions before closing a discussion with your insurance advisor to have a better understanding of your insurance policy and make sound decisions regarding the insurance policies. Bear in mind that insurance is not only about covering for something, it is about getting the best coverage that suits your needs as an individual. To begin this conversation, about your insurance protection, then get in touch and set up a meeting with your advisor. Please be free to discuss with your colleagues, insurance advisors, lest it becomes difficult for you to decide what to do in October 24 when the existing policy is due to expire. ये है मिस्टर सतदेव पावा, रिटायरी एक्टिविस्ट फ्रॉम पीएनबी, एक्स चीफ मैनेजर। 10 जुलाई को इन्होंने भेजा था, लेकिन मैंने इसको आज आपको बताया है। तो एक अच्छी चीज़ इन्होंने बताई है, इन चीज़ों पे ध्यान रखना है आप सभी को। धन्यवाद साथियों। भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम। 8588898205। ओम नमः शिवाय। कोई भी रेसिप्रोकल सहयोग आप मुझे दे सकते हैं और मैं आपको दे सकता हूँ। थैंक्स।